Hi guys. Good morning. How's everybody doing? Yeah. Oh, look at the little babe. That was very good. Are you over here? Oh, where did they go? Where did they go? Oh, hi, little guys. Well, I'm hoping to get you guys used to having me around so that I can hold you. What do you think? That's such a good idea. I love you guys. Oh, are you gonna? Oh, hi, Frango. Come here, Frango. This guy's Frango, and I'm trying to get him used to me. Ooh, look at, they're all curious. Who is in our coop? Frango, come here, sweetheart. Frango. Oh. Whoa, Frango, that was so good. Come here, sweetheart. Oh, maybe next time. I'm going to have you get used to me for now. Love you guys.